Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will get notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to order whole numbers and decimals. You are going to learn it here the easy way. But before we proceed to our main lesson, let me ask you one question. Are you eating dates fruit? Do you know that dates fruits are high in disease-fighting antioxidants? Dates prevent the development of certain chronic illnesses such as heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. Let us continue our discussion regarding the benefits of date fruits to our body later. Let us move to the main objective of our lesson first. We are going to order whole numbers and decimals. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. The table shows the measurements of Zainab's pencil crayons. Order the lengths from least to greatest. The table shows 4 crayons, the red, blue, pink, and green. And each crayons have different measurements. Considering the values from the table, you can see that the lengths of each pencil crayons are lined up by their decimal points. Comparing the digits from the greatest place value, which is tens, all the numbers are the same. Let us move to the place value next to the greatest place, which is the ones. From the ones place value, you can see that number 4 is the least. Then, we have 2 5s and number 8 is the greatest. So, we are going to number the 4, 1, the 5, 2, and the 8, 3. Arranging the numbers from least to greatest, number 1 is 14.95 and the last number, which is the greatest, is 18.00. Comparing the tens place from red and blue crayons, we're going to identify that the blue is lesser than the red because the blue has 0.21 and the red has 0.32. Therefore, the next number after the least value is 15.21. And the next after 15.21 is 15.32. At last, we have answered the question in ordering the lengths from least to greatest. So that is from smallest to biggest. And the answer is 14.95, 15.21, 15.32, and 18. If the question is to order the pencil's crayon according to the lengths from least to greatest, our answer will be green, blue, red, and pink. Another way to easily identify the numbers from least to greatest, we can use the number line. Let us plot the green crayon from the number line. It is 14.95. So we're going to locate it on the number line, 14.95. Let us locate the pink crayon on the number line, that is 18. So we're going to plot a point on number 18 on the number line. The blue crayon is 15.21 and from the number line, it is around 2 intervals after the green crayon. And the red crayon is around 1 interval after the blue crayon. Subsequently, the arrangement of the crayons will be green, blue, red, and pink from least to greatest. Writing their values, it will be 14.95, 15.21, 15.32, and 18. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Order the numbers from greatest to least. The numbers are 46.9, 49.3, 53.4, 54.8, and 45.7. Let us line up the numbers by their decimal points. We can spot right away which is the least number from the lineup. Therefore, the least number is 45.7. And we can also identify the greatest number, which is 54.8. Since the question is order the numbers from greatest to least, we are going to write the biggest number first, going to the smallest number. Writing the biggest number first, which is 54.8, and the smallest number, which is the last, is 45.7, let us identify the three numbers to be filled up on the three vacant spaces. The next biggest number after 54.8 is 53.4. The next greatest number after 53.4 is 49.3. Eventually, the next number will be 46.9. It is easy, right? Let us work on this example so that you can hit it off. Order the numbers from least to greatest. The set of numbers are the same. We're just going to order it from least to greatest. The step will always be the same. We are going to line up the number by their decimal points. We can directly identify which one is the smallest number. Therefore, the least number is 45.7. And the greatest number is 54.8. Consequently, we are going to arrange now the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Therefore, the first number will be 45.7 and the last number will be 54.8. The next number after 45.7 will be 46.9. And the next number that will follow after 46.9 will be 49.3 and 53.4. To wrap it up, if we are going to order the numbers from least to greatest or from greatest to least, we are going to line up the numbers by their decimal points. Then, we are going to compare the digits starting from the greatest place value. Aside from lining up the numbers by their decimal points, we can also use the number line strategy. We are going to locate the numbers on the number line and right away we can spot which one is the smallest going to the greatest or which one is the greatest going to the smallest number. It is very easy, right? Going back to the benefits of dates fruits, do you know that dates promotes brain health? It is also helpful for lowering inflammation and preventing plaques from forming in the brain, which is important for preventing Alzheimer's disease. Dates are very healthy to include to your diet. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in the future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, just go back. Revise it again, watch it carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!